Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x plus 1 by x square is equals to 3 and we have to find x power 90 plus x power 84 plus x power 18 plus x power 12 plus 1 is equals to what? So let's start with today's video solution. So what we notice that x power 90 and x power 84, the difference in power is 6. Similarly, x power 18 and x power 12, the difference in power is 6 here also. So let's start and convert this equation first in terms of x power 6. So let's start. So here I'm going to use a very famous identity, that is a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 times x times 1 by x is equals to 3. So we can cancel out. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 minus 3 is equals to 0. X square plus 1 by x square minus 1 is equals to 0. So it becomes x power 4 plus 1 minus x square is equals to 0. So x power 4 minus x square plus 1 is equals to 0. Now, we know that we have to convert it in power of 6. So I'm going to multiply both sides with x square. So it becomes x power 6 minus x power 4 plus x square is equals to 0. From here, we get it x square, x power 4 plus 1 minus x square is equals to 0. So this is our equation number 2 and this is our equation number 3. So I'm going to add second equation and third together. So it becomes x power 4 plus 1 minus x square plus x power 6 minus x power 4 plus x square is equals to 0. So we can cancel out this. So what is left? X power 6 plus 1 is equals to 0. The value of x power 6 is equals to minus 1. Or x power 6 plus 1 is equals to 0. Now we have to find x power 90, x power 84, x power 18 plus x power 12 plus 1. So if I'll take x power 84 as common, so what is left? X power 6 plus 1 plus, if I'll take x power 18 as common, so x power 6 plus 1 plus 1. So x power 84 times x power 6 plus 1 is equals to 0 plus x power 18 times 0 plus 1. So it gives us 0 plus similarly 0 plus 1, which is equals to 1. So the value of x power 90 plus x power 84 plus x power 18 plus x power 12 plus 1 is equals to 1 when x plus 1 by x square is equals to 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please share it with your family and friends and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.